Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the "sorry, there was a problem reaching our servers. Please try again" error on Roblox. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Roblox server status page. Check whether the servers are down. If they are, you'll simply need to wait until Roblox fixes the issue. However, if the servers are fully operational and you're still facing the error, follow the next steps. Press the Windows key, type "run", and open it. In the Run box, type %localapdata% and press Enter. This will open a new window. Look for the Roblox folder, open it, and then go into the Logs folder. Make sure Roblox is completely closed, then select and delete all the files inside. These are temporary files and deleting them will not harm your game. Now, try launching Roblox again. If the issue is still not resolved, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, and check your VPN. If a VPN is enabled, disconnect it and try again, as VPNs can sometimes cause connection problems. Next, type "View Network Connections" in the Windows search bar and open it. Find your active internet connection, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, right-click on it, and select Properties. Locate Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, select it, and click Properties. Use the following DNS server addresses, and enter. Preferred DNS, 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS, 8.8.4.4. Then click OK to apply the changes. After that, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. In the command window, type the following commands one by one. IP protocol configuration /flushtens. Netwinsock reset. Once done, restart your computer and check if the problem is fixed. If the issue still persists, go back to Settings, then Network and Internet, select Advanced Network Settings, and choose Network Reset. Keep in mind that if you are using Wi-Fi, you will need to reconnect by entering your password again. That's it. One of these methods should fix the problem. If this